Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this is a video of how to tutorial. Here we go. I got the Scratch. So yeah, this is a how to tutorial. Use the tutorial of Scratch. And I'm gonna show you how to make gravity. I'm gonna name this project how to make gravity. Oh no, there's no space left. Oh, here we go. You need delete the my variable block. Let me check. Here we go. So make a new block called gravity and run without screen refresh. Now, when green flag, click and make a new variable called. This is for this sprite only for the cat. So yeah, press the for the sprite only. Wait. Here we go. Wait guys. Here, for the sprite only. So yeah. For the sprite only, guys. Make sure it's for the sprite only. And name this gravity. And for the sprite only, remember I said it many times. So set gravity in the one green flag clicked. And now here we go. Change gravity by -1 in the define gravity block. Now if I put a gravity block here and forever you see it's going crazy. The minus, also known as negative, is other way round. So go to motion and go to change y by, and now gravity, of course. And now it falls like gravity. Here we go. Now and put if touching anything, if touching edge, if it's a background, just touching color, and do this like this, and the color of the wall of the platform. But I'm gonna use touching edge. And now put in the touching edge, set gravity to 0. And now go to motion tab, change y by 1, of course. And now you see it's standing. It's now standing. And goodbye guys. Wait, I'm gonna off the recording. Goodbye guys.